Layn Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. Let's correct something. People that say Turo Rental Car just don't know. It's not called Turo Rental Car. It's called Turo Car Sharing. And no, it's just called Turo, but it's a car sharing platform. Let me explain. For people that share their cars on the Turo platform for income, like myself, I'm a Turo power host. I own 22 cars. I share my cars on the Turo website, the Turo platform, for income. Turo does not own my cars. I own my cars, but they give me access to their platform, put my car on their platform, and I can earn an income within their platform. They market my car. They're not a rental car company. Rental car companies have rental car licenses. They typically own the car or have the car on consignment, and they share and they rent the cars to other people. It might seem similar, but it's not similar because Turo doesn't own the car. They don't consign the car. We're simply just a Turo host. They're allowing access to their website to have our car marketed so we can earn income, and we all get paid. That's what Turo is. So if you're trying to figure out what Turo is, it's a Turo car sharing environment that allows us hosts like myself, Conrad Layn, to share my cars on the platform for income. That's what Turo is. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carl, out.